Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display and brightness. Now let's take a look at this option, screen timeout. And here, after tapping, we can open a lot of screen timeout options from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got kind of quicker options or shorter options. We've got 15 or 30 seconds at the top, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently, we've got 30 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. And basically, all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, just tap on it. As you can see, it is marked now, so just confirm it with OK. And it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Infinix Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.